So there is a network issue. So only. So multi-level inheritance I have to show. So multi-level is one child class is becoming the parent of so that was a network issue. Sorry again. So multi-level inheritance is one child class is becoming the parent of another class. So here we can write the same class vehicle. So there I have method, which one start method we created there self, and here it is printing a message like this. Started. Then another method stop self keyword, then print. Then same properties which I showed you with the single inheritance. Now here so like this, some definitions we have given for the class vehicle. Now class car creating. So car is a type of vehicle. So it is inherited from the vehicle class. So we have given the statements like this. So it's meaning car is inherited from vehicle. So in the previous single inheritance, then I have showed you. So what is the extra things we have to define inside the car? Here I'm just telling it is a four-wheeler. Same definitions. Like this definition is given. Now our implementation I want to show with a car like this. This is a type of car, right? So first we created vehicle. Then while creating car, we know car is a type of vehicle. So inherited from the vehicle class. Now here I'm creating a class BMW. So I want to show that features only. BMW car features I want to show. So BMW is a type of car. So what I can do, it is inherited from the class car we can tell. So now BMW get what all features? It is a four-wheeler, it will get plus, it will get all these features also. So this is which type of inheritance? Multi-level inheritance. Here we have telling only what are the extra features we have to use for this particular class. Here I'm telling just a statement. That is one of the luxurious car in the world. That's it. Over. So this is only from vehicle car, and from car this BMW is inherited. And we'll create now which object? Object for this last child class. That is for which one? BMW. So that object is created. Now B dot, we can call which methods? The methods from the supermost class also we can inherit. B dot move and B dot feature. That one method we are calling, and B dot extra and B dot stop, like this. Okay, so we'll run and see now. So all these definitions it is showing for you. we have implemented it this particular format. So this is which one? Multi-level inheritance. Okay, so clear. Now another one we are creating, that is for hierarchical inheritance. Same properties only I'm going to create. So I have a class vehicle there. Okay. Now same manner we are creating class car, that is inherited from vehicle we are telling, because car is a type of vehicle. Okay. Now this is a definition. Like this, any method name we can use it. Just I'm typing, that is a new feature. And here printing the same statements, what? That is a four-wheeler. Okay. Now vehicle means it is not always the car, right? We can create another one, that is bike. Bike is also which one? Is a vehicle only. It's a type of vehicle. So bike also have what features? Start, stop, move features are there. So again, we are telling that is inherited from which one? Vehicle. Okay. So here we are telling it is inherited from there. So one another method is creating feature bike, like that one method created. So self reference for that. There we are printing it is a two-wheeler. Okay. Now another type of vehicle also is there, means that also we can create it. If I want, we can create class auto, we can create. So that is also inherited from the same type vehicle only, because that is also type of vehicle that have another feature. So here I'm typing one method is feature auto. Okay, and we are printing that is a three-wheeler. Like that, some features we are telling like this. So only this much. Now here what you have understood, this is one single parent, and from the same class only car is inherited, bike is inherited, and this auto also inherited. Okay, so single parent, more than one child classes. This is hierarchical inheritance implementation. Okay, any doubt in this one? Clear for everyone? Okay, so this is hierarchical inheritance. So like that, any number of child classes we can create. Now in the actual program, what we have to do? We have to create object for each child classes. So I need an object for car. C is equal to car, one object we creating. Now with the C, we can call all these methods. Start we can call. Then we can call C dot, that feature of car we can call it. Okay. Then we have another one child class. So that is B equal to bike class object is created. Again, B also using the same feature, which one? Start. Then it is using B dot move. All those things again, this child class also can reuse it. Plus its feature also it can use. Again, we have to create an object for which one also? This class auto also. Again, auto can also use which property? Start, stop, move. It can also use it. Plus this extra feature which we have created here. Okay. So this way of implementation is what? Hierarchical inheritance. Okay. Any doubt in this one? So we learned single inheritance, multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and multi-level inheritance. Hybrid is the combined structure of any of these types. Okay, so that you can only try it, that I am not showing. So this I have showed you 4 types. So this is like a homework, like that you can do it. Okay, creating a hybrid inheritance program. Okay, fine. Now polymorphism we have not implemented. Till inheritance only now I have told you. So what do you mean by polymorphism is we can give different behavior for the single thing. Okay, so the same object only, how it is behaving in differently. Okay. So we have method overriding, one concept is there that we will see. So method overriding is we can provide some specific implementation of the parent class method in our child class. When the parent class method is defined in the child class with some specific implementation, then that concept is known as what? Method overriding. See there in this classes vehicle, we have this start, stop, move. So what is the name of the method? Start. It is a no argument method. Now the same prototype you can use it. Prototype means the syntax of this function. Okay. So this same thing I can reuse where in the child class also, and you are redefining that method. Because we know when I call the start method for the object of this BMW, it will access always which definition only? This started only it will access. But in this child class BMW, you are redefining that one with a different implementation or a different definition. Then that concept is called as what? Method overriding. Okay, so if the both parent class and the child class have the same method with the same method prototype, only the definition or the only the implementation is different, then this method are said to be overridden. Okay, or else you can tell the method which created in the parent class, you are redefining the method in the child class, then that concept is called as what? Method overriding. Okay, so here I'll show you one example. Class bank. So every bank have interest rate. So get interest like that. One method creating self, and this method I'm telling it is returning a value, some general value have written like this 5.5. Okay, now actual implementation we are going to do with this SBI. So we are telling this is a type of bank, so this is extending from this class bank. Okay, so automatically what property this SBI will get interest property will get with a value what? 5.5. But here in this class, now we want to redefine that one because each bank have their own interest rate. So for that purpose, I'm using the same method prototype with a different definition. So that means the interest rate given by SBI is this much. Like that, we are specifically redefining that one in the child class. So return 5.7 like this, some interest rate we have defined it. Now another class is creating Axis. So Axis is also a type of bank. So it is inherited from this bank class. There also we have the interest rate. Now this interest rate is different than which one? SBI bank. So we are again redefining that in this child class Axis. Okay. So here we are telling it is returning, or the interest rate of Axis Bank is like this. Okay. Now another bank is creating Canara Bank. So that is also inherited from the same class bank. Now here we are writing get interest. Same method is used. But now here definition it's different because this is showing the interest rate of Canara Bank. So it is telling it is something 5.9, something like that we are doing. Okay, it's over. So now here I implemented inheritance also. What type of inheritance is given here? Hierarchical inheritance, because single parent, more than one child classes. So this is single inheritance. Sorry, hierarchical inheritance. Now what we have to do? Creating object for these three different classes. So one object is created S equal to this SBA. Okay. Now we are printing the interest rate of the SBA bank. Dot format of, here I'm calling the method which one get interest using which object? SBA object. So format of S dot, we have the method which one get interest. Okay, save this file and see what is the output. So, okay, sorry, I have not given that curly braces. So now it is showing interest rate of SBA is 5.7. Now the same thing I can do it for which one also? Another bank, that is Axis Bank, one object is created. Now same thing for this Axis Bank also we need to implement it there. So what only the difference? Object name will change. And in this printing I'm typing it is for Axis. And here which object? A. That means this function we are calling for which object now? Axis Bank object only. Value is different. Same method only I'm calling, but now first time it is showing interest rate of SBI Bank, second time it is showing interest rate of Axis Bank. Now we have one more class, that is which one? Canara Bank. So here it is C, like that one object is created. Now same thing, this is for Canara. Now it is telling that is C dot get interest. So same method, get interest method, three different ways I have used it. So many ways we are using the same thing only. That is which concept? Polymorphism. This is one of the way we are implementing polymorphism here in Python. Okay. So output only this much. It just to show you what interest rate of Axis Bank, SBI Bank and Canara Bank. Different values it is showing. So the same method only we redefined in many ways. Okay. And here also same method I'm calling for the different objects. So this is which concept now? Overriding concept. In the parent and in the child class, you are using the same method prototype, only the definition is different. Okay. So this concept is overriding concept. So I hope everyone understood these things. Any doubt in this one? So overriding, that is a polymorphism concept only. And inheritance we learned. Encapsulation, abstraction also I showed you there. Object oriented concepts. And one more topic is left, that is exception handling, that will continue in the afternoon session. And after that 3 to 4, from 3 o'clock to 4 p.m. you have test. Okay, multiple choice questions only. So everyone has to prepare for that one and attend the test. 3 to 4. Okay. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll continue in afternoon session. Thank you, everyone.